There are 3 sounds you might be hearing for the very first time today. And trust me, you really don't want to miss the last one. Number 3, crocodiles. Now, we all know crocodiles look super scary, right? Just looking at them can make anyone nervous. But today, we're not talking about the big one. Nope. We're gonna listen to the sound their tiny, cute babies make. And yeah, they sound way different from what you'd expect. Number 2, shoebill. This creature looks like it came straight out of a dinosaur movie. I mean, it seriously looks ancient, and when it opens its beak, the sound is wild. It kinda sounds like a machine gun going off. No kidding, it's like AK-47 vibes. And before I tell you the last one, if you are not an alien, then like and subscribe to this channel. Only good human can do it. Also, comment your phone's battery percentage. Number 1, fox. This animal is super clever, maybe even smarter than me. But when you tickle it, it laughs just like a little kid.